Um, Good job, Sophia. How is that? Is that good? Do you love Cheerios? Yeah? Molly, you want to give Evan a Cheerio? Molly, give Evan a Cheerio. Just one. All right, Sophia, you want to give him one? Sophia. Sophia. Give Evan another Cheerio.
No.
You guys are so mean. I just wanted to make a video for Daddy. Hey, open your mouth. Whoa, be careful.